Hi, Todd here with Lawson Screen and Digital Products, and today we're going to talk about registration tape. It's a new product we have here, and it works great for when you're trying to register anywhere from 2 to 8 color jobs. It makes the job quick and easy. All right, today we're going to print this 2-color design. We're going to start off with the white. Now, as you can see, I haven't flashed this white, which you don't have to. You can choose to. It's up to your discretion. But today, I'm just going to leave the ink wet, and we're going to lay this registration tape right on top of our print. Give it a little pat down. Now we're ready to move on to the next color. Our next color is going to be red. And you can print this right on top of the tape. As you can see here, we're a little bit out of registration. We'll take our Clog Buster, give it a little bit of a squirt here on the tape, and you'll see how easy it wipes right off. If it doesn't get all the way off, add a little more Clog Buster, and you'll get it back to looking like new. Now you can do this as many times as you want on this tape, and it won't affect anything. So what we're going to do now is loosen our here, and we're going to micro this right back into registration. That looks good there. Check it one last time. All right, now let's print it and see how it looks. And there you go. It's that simple. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for some more great tech tips. I guarantee you'll learn something.